In this video, I will be discussing how to represent a decimal number in 32-bit IEEE 754 notation. Basically, what we have to do is represent a decimal number in 32 bits such that the first bit is the sign bit, the next 8 bits are the exponent bits, and the last 23 bits are the fraction bits. There are 5 steps involved in this process. The first step is converting the decimal number to its binary equivalent. Then we represent this binary number in its scientific notation. Finally, we decide the sign bit, the exponent bits, and the fraction bits. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Say we have to represent the decimal number 43.35 in IEEE 754 notation. First, we convert 43.35 into binary form. This is done by individually converting 43 and 0.35 in their binary forms respectively and then merging both the results together. We find the binary equivalent of 43 by continuously dividing it by 2 until the quotient is 0. We then take the remainders obtained in reverse order. This number is the binary representation of 43. The binary equivalent of 0.35 is found by multiplying it with 2 and taking the one bit which appears before the decimal point, this time in the order in which it is obtained. We keep doing this with the decimal part of the number thus obtained until we get 1.0, or when we notice that we are repeating our multiplication with the same numbers, forming a recursive pattern. After finding the binary equivalent of 43.35, we represent this binary number in the scientific notation. We do this by shifting the decimal point such that there is only a 1 preceding it. We then multiply this number with 2 raised to the number of the left shifts we have made to the decimal point. Now we are ready to decide the sign, exponent, and fraction bits. Since 43.35 is a positive number, the sign bit is 0. We find the exponent bits by adding the power to which 2 was raised in the scientific notation to the exponent bias, which is 127 in case of a 32-bit representation. We then convert this number in its binary form. The 8 bits obtained are equal to the exponent bits. The numbers after the decimal point in the scientific notation form the 23 fraction bits. Writing these bits together, we have found the IEEE 754 notation of the decimal number 43.35. Thank you.